Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of mayonnaise. Let's see how to make this mayonnaise. You can prepare mayonnaise in a mixer grinder, but now I'm using a hand blender. I'm adding in 1 egg in a hand blender jar. Add in half cup of sunflower oil. Add in half a teaspoon of lemon juice. In goes half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of pepper powder. In goes less than quarter teaspoon of salt. Beat all the ingredients nicely until you get thick consistency. You should be very careful while blending the mayonnaise, because if you overbeat the mix means this will curdle. So blend the mix carefully until you get this thick consistency. I have added 1 teaspoon of ketchup for extra flavor. This is completely optional. You can store this in refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. Do try this mayonnaise and share me the feedback. I served it with crispy squid rings. I'll share the link in the description below. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.